Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope so you all will be fine. Okay students, today is our 12th lecture of 1 class phonics. Let's start our work on book. Open page number 43. On this page, firstly we will write date June 23, 2020 and the day Tuesday. On this page the icons are read and match. We will do two activities on this page. Firstly we read, then match the words. Okay, on this page the topic are read and match pearl words. Okay, pearl words. Okay, come to the object. The first object is plus. Plus. We also read this as a ad on the maths book. Okay. The next object is plate. Plate. And the third is plug. Plug. We use the plug for open and close the machines, electric machines. Okay, now next words on this page are place. Place, plane, play, plop, plot, plus and plum. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इसमें से ओनली 6 वर्ड्स जो हैं वो अच्छी तरह लर्न करने हैं, ताकि अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो आप 6 वर्ड जो हैं ये इससे भी ज़्यादा अगर याद किए हों तो अच्छी तरह लिख सकें. अब नेक्स्ट जो है वो है मैचिंग. इसमें हमने सेम वर्ड्स के साथ उनकी मैचिंग करनी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फर्स्ट वर्ड है प्लेस. प्लेस. तो हम इसको इसके सामने सेम वर्ड के साथ मैच करेंगे. एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ प्लेन. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ प्लेन. सो वी विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल मैच विद द सेम वर्ड प्लेन. ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन you done for this pattern. Okay, on the next page you will write the same date June 23, 2020 and the day Tuesday. On this page the icons are look and write. The topic is look and write pearl words. Here some objects are and we write their name on the blanks. For example, the first is done for you. Plus, we write the plus here. And the second object is plate and we write the plate here. Plate. Okay, now you also write all the objects name like this. And the third question, write the missing words. There are some blanks. You read the sentences and choose the words from here and then write the blanks. Saad has a paper aeroplane. साद के पास एक पेज का या सफ़े का बना हुआ एरोप्लेन है. The food is in the plate. Food is in the plate. Food जो है वो प्लेट के अंदर है. You fill the blanks like this. 5-2 is 7. 5 plus 5 को 2 में प्लस करें तो 7 होता है. 5 plus 2 is 7. Fatima loves to dash with the cat. Fatima loves to play. फातिमा लव्स पसंद करती है खेलना कैट्स के साथ. वी मस्ट कीप दिस डैश नीट एंड टिडी. वी मस्ट कीप दिस प्लेस. हमें अपनी जगह को साफ रखना चाहिए. प्लेस. Okay, this one topic is done, and now come on the next page. On this page you write the date June 24, 2020 and the day Wednesday. This is your next day activity. On this page the topic is read and match per words. Okay, the first object and its name pray. Pray. Second is prize. And the third pram. Okay, look at the other words. Present, press, pretty, prick, priest, prince, print, prize, problem, proud, prawn, prune. Okay, next activity is matching. On this page you also match the words with their same rhyme and same words. Okay, this is very easy question for you. Okay, next page. On this page the topic is make and write per words. Make and write per words. In this word, thus two word has divided in two parts. We join this word and write in this blank. For example, the first part of this word is per and second part is is. So we join this word per is press. Okay, look at the second word. The first part is per and the second is is. So we write, we joining prize. Okay, this is the pattern of this question. You done this question, and the second question on this page is write the missing words. Write the missing words. Firstly we read the sentences. Saad won a dash. Saad won a dash prize. Saad won a prize. Okay, the second is the baby is in the pram. If you touch a thorn, you will dash your finger. Prick. We dash 5 times a day. We pray. We pray 5 times a day. Both sister and brother are pretty. Both sister and brother are pretty. Okay students, come on the next page. On this page the date is June 25, 2020 and the day is Thursday. Read and match words. Okay, the first object is scarf. Second is scalp. And the third is score. Okay, look at the other objects. Scab, scaled, scales, scan, scoop, scorpio, scorpio, scot, scot, and scuff, scuff. Okay, the next question is matching. You will do the matching with the help of scale. Okay, the next topic is make and write sk words. Okay, there are some words we match the with sk words and write the blanks. For example, when we match the sk with ab, so this become scab. And the next is scat, scat. The word became scat. And the third, scalp, scalp. Scales, scales. Scan, scan. Scuff, scorpio, and scoop. You write this question complete. Write the missing word. This is our next question. Pakistani team dash 50 runs. Pakistani team score. Next, Hamza went to the doctor for a scan. Scan, scan. Alia wants a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Scoop of vanilla ice cream. There are a lot of dash on the fish scales. My mom wears a dash scarf. Okay, students, we have completed 3 topics today. Okay, look at the diary. The first day of diary, Tuesday, page 43 to 44, learn and write. You write the page number 43 and 44 on Tuesday. The next, Wednesday, page 45 to 46, learn and write. Thursday, page 47 to 48. And the Friday is a revision day of previous syllabus, and Saturday revision of all descriptions you have done, and Monday page 49 to 50. This is your whole week diary. Okay, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.